All right, you saw from the intro, we are going Greek today. Greek spaghetti. So I've already done a whole lot of prep. Here's what I've done. I have diced up some dill. Now, you're going to notice I'm not going to give you any amounts. That's because, as always, loyal viewers, all the ingredients, their amounts, and directions are down below in the comments section. Dill. We've got some chopped up fresh basil. We have some chopped up fresh parsley. We have some quartered artichoke hearts. I took some Kalamata olives and sliced them up because I wasn't smart enough to buy sliced ones.
Oh no! We suck again!
At least they were pitted. That made it easier. I have sliced up a red onion. I got a jar of fire roasted red bell peppers and I chopped them up. I got a bunch of cherry tomatoes and halved them. This is the juice from the artichoke hearts. And this is capers. I just poured them in a bowl. Well, I drained them first and then poured them in a bowl. Pretty easy. So that's all the prep I've already done. Now, I've also taken our chicken thighs and diced them up into bite-sized chunks. So we're going to season that with a couple tablespoons of your favorite Greek seasoning. I've been on a Spiceology kick lately, and they have this stuff called Greek Freak seasoning, which everything we've used it in so far has been amazing. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to eyeball it. I think I need about 3 tablespoons for this. There we go. And get that all mixed up. Make sure every piece has a touch of the Greek Isles.
It's not Greek. It's very Greek.
I'd give you a Greek accent, but I don't know what that sounds like. All right. That's done. Wash the paws.
Proper hygiene depends on everyone.
All right, I'm going to get a large cast iron skillet, get that heating on medium heat, and the rest of the magic will happen over here. So I'll see you there. All right, over here on the stove, I also have my water from my pasta is getting heating up because we're going to need it soon. But right now, we're going to take care of the chicken. So I'm just going to dump all the chicken into, well, first we're going to put some olive oil down. I'm silly.
Lubricants.
Sometimes. A couple tablespoons. And then in goes our chicken. We're going to cook the chicken until it is pretty much done, about 80–90%, and gets a little bit of browning on it. Then we're going to set that aside. So we'll see you when we're ready to take the chicken out and do the next step. See you then. All right, the spaghetti's done, just cooked it according to the instructions on the box. The chicken's done. Now we got this chicken juice behind. We're gonna add, if we can operate the container, we're gonna add some olive oil to this, a couple more tablespoons, and then in goes our red onions. We're gonna let these go for about 3 or 4 minutes and break them up as we go until they get nice and soft. You're about to see a lot of vegetables fly. As always, this is a healthy meal. That's all we do here at the Galley of the Sun.
If you say so.
We're still on medium-high heat. Well, you should be on medium-high heat. I wasn't. I was on low heat. Now I'm on medium-high heat. That's where you should be, medium-high heat.
Does he know what he's doing?
Once you're happy where your onions are, which you should be because they're right there in the skillet, add the garlic. Let that go for about a minute. Now we come in with the vegetable parade and stir at each step. Our cherry tomatoes, our artichoke hearts, our Kalamata olives. There's a Kalamata. Kalamata. Your olives from Greece.
Precisely.
Your fire roasted red bell peppers. And your capers. Get that all mixed up. I'm going to let that go for 2 or 3 minutes, get everything melding together and mixing. All right, now goes a couple teaspoons of our Greek seasoning. Again, the Greek Freak from Spiceology. Then we're going to stir in our baby spinach. And to help that spinach wilt, our artichoke heart liquid. Well, we got most of it in there. Some of it's on me. All right, getting the spinach cooked down is what's holding us up from our next step. All righty, time for the finishing touches. The chicken goes back in, as does our pasta. Now, when the pasta was done cooking, I didn't rinse it because I want it to stick to this stuff. Get that all incorporated. At this point, that's probably done best with the clampy things. The hell's that called? Clampy things. Tongs. 2 tongs don't make a right. So we're gonna get this all incorporated, then we'll move back over to the island and finish this up. We'll see you then. All right, with the help of the director, we made it over here. It was dicey. So now in goes in my parsley, my basil, my dill, some lemon zest, and feta cheese. I'm going to do my best to mix this up without making a huge mess, and then we'll be ready for some judgment. We'll see you then. All right, the mixing's done. The post-mixing mess has been cleaned up. It is time now to get some judgment from our resident Greek expert. That would be the director. Oh, it's so pretty. Like the director. Alrighty, how'd we do?
Very good.
Best Greek food you've had today?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. Are we giving Italian spaghetti a run for its money?
Yes, you are.
Ooh, that's a bold statement.
Because I don't like the red sauce, so this is awesome.
All right, hey, there you go. The director says it's awesome, so you should freaking eat it. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Leave us a comment, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. We greatly appreciate it. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.